All right. So the third construction we're doing is we're constructing a triangle given the length of one side and the size of two angles. We're constructing a triangle given the length of one side and the size of two angles. Let's just discuss a little bit as to how we're going to go about the construction. It says construct triangle LMN such that LM is 8 centimeters. So since you're only given one side, I would start by drawing the one side. So I would draw LM. So we draw LM. We're then told that angle NLM is equal to 45 degrees. Where would I put angle NLM? You always put the angle at the letter in the middle. So you all remember we got 45, it is to what? Construct 90 and then cut it into two equal halves. So I do more wide, this is 60, then what? 120. 90 would be in the middle between 60 and 120. Put it at 120, scribe. Put it back at 60, scribe. Draw my line down. That is 90 degrees. This is 0. This is 90. I would then open the compass a little bit wider, put it at 0 and 1, and scribe. Then put it at 90 and scribe. A line from L through here will give me 45 degrees. Now, the angle at M, angle NML is
60 degrees.
Where would I put that angle?
M.
At M. So I do my scribe, come here, cut. A line from here through here will give me 60 degrees. Then I draw it up. Anywhere the two lines meet, that is the point N. Anywhere the two lines meet, that would be the point
And that should be 75 degrees.
And the angle here should be 75 degrees. Ladies and gentlemen, please draw a line segment LM of length 8 centimeter. Draw a line segment LM of length 8 centimeter.
Seriously, when you draw the line, start from zeros?
Yes.
This is centimeter.
Alright. So this is LM and the length is, this is LM, the length is 8 centimeter. I think we already discussed that the angle at L should be 45 degrees. Now if you all remember, how we get 45 is to first construct 90 and then cut 90 into two equal halves. Everybody look again. And remember, you must practice these constructions. I open my compass to a suitable radius. Suitable, again, implies that you have to make a judgment, not too wide, not too narrow. Notice my compass here, I have something I can use to tighten it. Because it's important that the joint of the compass is sufficiently tightened. That's why you all need a screwdriver. So, fine. Put the metal tip at L. Everybody, look, put the metal tip at L. And I scribe a wide arc. Scribe my arc. Remember, we measure angle along this arc. Right here is 0 degrees. So I then move the metal tip from L, put it at 0 degrees, and I scribe an arc. A line from L through here will give me 60 degrees. I move the metal tip up from here, put it at here at 60, and I scribe a third arc to cut the first arc. A line from L through here will give me 120 degrees. 90 is in the dead middle between 60 and 120. I put the metal tip first at 120. Up to now, all of this is done without shifting the compass. put the metal tip at 120 and I scribe. Above L, then put it back to 60 and I scribe. A line from L through here will give me 90 degrees. So everybody do the same. You all should know how to do it because I did tell you to practice. But is it 90 I want? I want to notice a little that I drew this line a little faint. The reason for that is because that's not the angle I want. What I want is 45. I think everybody should remember that here is 0 degrees. This is 0 degrees. Here is 90 degrees. And 90 is in the middle between 0 and 45 is in the middle between 0 and 90. So everybody, observe, are you looking? Remember, this is the only time I tell you that you should what? Open the compass a little further. Then I'm going to put the metal tip at 0 and scribe my arc. Then, without shifting the compass, move the metal tip over to 90 and scribe my arc. A line from L through here will give me 45 degrees. Again, you see that line I'm going to draw? I'm going to also draw it a little faint. And I tell you why. Because I do not know exactly where on this line is N. I do not know exactly where on this line is N. So I'm going to draw it a little faint until I know exactly where N is. So I do it a little faint, and this is until I know exactly where N is. Ladies and gentlemen, we're constructing a triangle, given the length of one side and the size of two angles. That's good. Yeah, that's not 45. I'm hoping in what sense you don't draw 60. You don't draw 60, you don't draw it. And you don't draw the 120 either. You just want to know where it is. So then no, say I have 90, then you put it at 0 and you scribe. And you put it at 90 and you scribe. That should be everything. Alright, let us find exactly where N is. What is the angle at M? What is the angle at M?
It should be 60 degrees.
60 degrees. Everybody observe again. Observe. Open my compass to a suitable radius. I'm going to put the metal tip at M because at M I want a 60-degree angle. I'm going to scribe an arc. I must ensure that the arc comes around and cuts the line LM. Remember, along this line I'm measuring angle. This is 0 degrees. I move without shifting the compass. I move the metal tip at M, put it at 0 and scribe an arc. A line from M through here will give me 60 degrees. So I'm going to draw a line from M through this point up towards this line. Anywhere the two lines meet, I'm going to stop because that point will be the point N. So a line up, a line up. Alright, they didn't meet. They didn't meet, so I'm going to have to draw this one longer. Line up again. And anywhere the two lines meet, that's when I stop. Anywhere the two lines meet, that is when I'm going to stop. Alright. Then I'm going to come up over here and draw the line brighter. I'm going to come, now that I know exactly where it is, I'm going to come up over here and draw the line brighter. This point here is N. This is my triangle. What was I given? I was given the length of what? Of one side and the size of two angles. So this shouldn't be here, this should not be here, and this should not be here. So that's what I have. Are you with me?
No.
Alright.
Sir, where is it going to shift the compass again when you put the thing at 0?
Draw what?
To meet the 75 compass.
To 60. You put move from here, put it at 0, and spread the
Oh,
arc.
there, so, alright.
Alright.
So element is 77 centimeters.
No, I don't know the length. I don't know the length. That's not
The angle you
important.
want.
It's just the angles I want, yeah. So the last step, what is the last step?
Measure.
The last step is to what?
Measure the
Measure and state the size of angle
N.
L, N, M, which is actually angle N. So let's measure N. I showed you how to do that already. We did one similar to it. Line up your protractor like that. And what are we expecting? What angle are we expecting?
75.
75. Look at mine. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 75. Mine is 75. Therefore, I'm going to then just say I angle L N M is equal to 75 degrees. And the L M N is equal to 75 degrees.
So we have classes on them?
Your class is
See it?
What is on there? I don't know that.
what about Sunday?
I'm trying to show you that all Sundays are holy. This one no more holy than the other Sunday.